In this question it is given that if median of the distribution is 28.5. So median is already given. So if median is given to you, that time median class you can find easily. Median is 28.5. So median will be from this class only. Okay. So we have to check 28.5 will come in which class. So it is in between 20 to 30, isn't it? 28.5 is less than 30 and greater than 20. So median will lie between in this class interval. So this is your median class. Okay. So median class will be 20 to 30. So L, lower limit of the median class is 20. And this will be frequency. Okay. F is what? Frequency of the median class. Now, whenever you have to find median, you should find one more column, that is cumulative frequency. And first element you should write as it is. Now, zigzag addition. 5 plus x. X is variable. We can't add in 5. So, we'll write 5 plus x only. Then 5 plus 20 plus x. So, 25 plus x will come. Then 25 plus 15 means 40 plus x will come. Then 40 plus x plus y. Then this plus this. Okay. So, but we know this total should be equal to last entry of the CF column. So, these two are equal. So, we will get one equation here. And if this is median class, so what will be CF then? CF will be the CF of preceding class, preceding of median class. So this we can consider as CF, 5 plus x. And H will be 0 to 10, so 10 minus 0 means 10. And N is 60. So N by 2 will be 60 by 2, that is 30. Okay. So here we got one equation that we will write, since 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. So x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45, which will give x plus y is 15. So this we can write as equation 1 here. And from above these variable value we will write median. We will find median. Median is already given to you. So L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Median is given to you. We'll substitute median value here. L is 20, so we'll write 20. N by 2 is 30. CF is 5 plus x. So minus means minus 5 minus x, isn't it? F is 20. H is 10. So this 0 will go with this 0. This 20 we can shift here. So it will be minus 20 equals to 30 minus 5 is 25. We can write 25 minus x by 2. Now this will give 8.5, isn't it? Equals to 25 minus x by 2. So this 2 we can shift here. 8.5 is equal to 25 minus x by 2. So this 2 we can multiply here. We will get 17. 25 minus x. So x value will be 25 minus 17, which will give answer as 8. Okay. Now we have equation 1, which gives the relation between x and y variable. Now we got the value of x. So substitute or put x equal to 8 in equation 1 to get value of y. So y will be 15 minus 8, that is 7. So value of x and y we got here. X is 8 and y is 7.